Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Channel. I'm Mia, your host. If you've ever felt nervous traveling because you're worried you won't understand airport announcements, hotel staff, or restaurant menus, this episode is for you.
And I'm Daniel. Today we're giving you practical English phrases, plus the meaning behind them, so you not only say them, you understand why they're used and when they're appropriate. By the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident traveling through places like Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, Korea, Europe, Australia, and the US.
When you arrive at the airport, the first English challenge is the check-in counter. Here are phrases you almost always need. I have reservation under the name blank, meaning you're telling staff your booking is under your full name. I'd like to check in for my flight, meaning you are requesting the start of the process, printing boarding pass, checking luggage. Can I have a window/aisle seat? Meaning you are requesting a seat preference. How many bags can I check in? Meaning you want to know your airline baggage allowance.
At security, you'll hear fast English, so knowing key phrases reduces confusion. Do I need to remove my laptop? Meaning, you're asking what items must be taken out. Are liquids allowed? Meaning, you want to know if drinks or liquid items can pass through. Where is the security checkpoint? Meaning, you're asking for directions to the inspection area.
Remember, airport staff never expect perfect English. They just want clarity.
Gates and announcements can change quickly. Could you confirm if this is the gate for flight blank? Meaning, you want to double-check you're at the correct gate. What time does boarding start? Meaning, you want the schedule for entering the plane. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? Meaning, I didn't catch that equals polite way to say I didn't understand.
When using buses, metros, or trains in big cities like Singapore, Seoul, Tokyo, or London, does this bus or train go to blank? Meaning confirming if you are on the correct route. Where is the nearest station? Meaning asking for direction or location. Which platform is for blank? Meaning you want to know where to board your train.
Understanding announcements is key. Was that announcement about this train? Meaning clarifying if the message affects your trip. Do we need to transfer? Meaning you're asking if you must change to another train or line.
When something goes wrong, what are my options? Meaning you're asking for solutions, such as rebooking, hotel stay, or compensation. Can I rebook for the next available flight? Meaning you want a new seat on the next plane. Is compensation provided? Meaning asking if airline will reimburse or provide meals, hotel, etc.
Hotels often follow standard English phrases. I have a booking under the name blank, meaning same as airport. You're telling staff your reservation info. Is early check-in available? Meaning you're asking if you can enter your room earlier than normal. Could I have extra towels? Meaning requesting additional room items. Is breakfast included? Meaning asking if your room package covers breakfast.
Ordering food safely and clearly is one of the biggest confidence boosters. Could I see the menu, please? Meaning requesting the menu politely. What do you recommend? Meaning asking the waiter's suggestion. Does this contain nuts, shellfish, or dairy? Meaning important if you have allergies or dietary restrictions. I'd like this without blank. Meaning asking for modification.
If something is wrong, excuse me, I think this is incorrect. Meaning pointing out an error politely. Could this be reheated? Meaning asking if food can be warmed again.
Hotels and restaurants appreciate respectful communication. Could someone check the air conditioner? It's not working. Meaning requesting maintenance. There seems to be a mistake on the bill. Meaning highlighting incorrect charges.
Always pair your request with polite tone. Please, thank you, excuse me.
In emergencies, simple English saves lives. I need help, meaning universal phrase for urgent assistance. I'm having trouble breathing, meaning serious symptom needs immediate help. My friend fainted, meaning someone lost consciousness. Call an ambulance, please, meaning direct request for emergency service.
Losing items is common. Here's how to handle it. I lost my passport, phone, wallet, meaning telling staff exactly what is missing. Can I file a report? Meaning asking to start an official record. Could you write that down? Meaning helpful when English is difficult to understand verbally.
Common safety phrases: restricted area, meaning you are not allowed to enter. Mind your step, meaning watch out, step could be uneven. Beware of pickpockets, meaning high theft risk area.
Politeness builds trust. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, meaning friendly greeting. Excuse me, meaning politely getting attention or avoiding bumping into someone. Could you help me, please? Meaning asking for assistance respectfully.
Shopping worldwide uses very similar English. How much is this? Meaning asking price. Do you have this in another size or color? Meaning checking for alternatives. Can I try this on? Meaning requesting fitting room.
If bargaining is culturally appropriate, is this your best price? Meaning asking for discount without being rude. Light conversation makes travel enjoyable. Where are you from? Meaning common, friendly question. What places do you recommend? Meaning asking locals for tips.
Avoid sensitive topics unless they bring it up first. Politics, religion, national conflicts.
Let's do a practice example.
Where are you heading today?
I'm going to Clark Key. Which line should I take?
Meaning heading equals going to. Which line equals which metro route.
Use translation apps as backup, not main communication. Offline download helps without internet. Saved phrases, quick access. Photo translation, for menus and signs. Voice translation, use only in emergencies. Can be inaccurate.
Every traveler needs different things. Write down transportation questions, food requirements, hotel requests, emergency terms, numbers, prices, and directions.
Review it before your trip. It reduces stress dramatically.
And that's our full guide to avoiding travel stress with English. If you practice these phrases and understand their meaning, you'll feel confident anywhere.
Thanks for listening. Travel safe, speak clearly, and enjoy the journey.
Bye. See you next episode.
Bye. See you next episode.